Gain maximum knowledge by updating your message. Do that by subscribing and clicking the notification bell.
Hey, what's going on? Today's video is about a free screen recorder known as the OBS Studio. To download this studio, go to any web browser and just search as the OBS software. Download or anything, just I'll search for OBS software. But when you click enter, it shows you many list of software, but you go to the open broadcast software, which is known as the obsproject.com. the link in the description below. You can download for Windows, Mac OS and Linux too. This is a free editing software and screen recording software because I have downloaded and not downloading again, but I'm going to the OBS software in the desktop. But when I'm downloading, it gives me a risk that you have to launch it anyway because I'm recording this video too in the OBS Studio. There are many options such as streaming, recording, but before you record this screen, I have to say some tips. Before that, I'll remove these items that are not necessary for you. But when you're screen recording, if you did not do any option and you just press screen recording, it records your video. And after you end your screen recording, go to File and see for Show Recordings, which is in the OBS software. Then you can see your video, it's there, but when you play it, you see all your video is in black and white, but you can understand why is it recording my screen. The reason for this is you have an option that display capture. Go and option the display capture and press OK to record your screen. Make sure you press OK for this also and make your screen larger for 1920 and 1080 and then start recording yourself. Now you can record anything. I'll just go for this PC to record, show a sample for you. Then just you record something like this, you record and OK, and go to again your OBS software and you say I'm gonna stop recording. So go and press stop recording in your OBS software. Now to see that, go to your file and show recordings. Here you can see the video that is ready for you. You double click it and your video is pretty cool and you record it with your screen recorder without any watermark according to your content. And that's it for this tutorial. Consider subscribing.